The Little Robot's Big Dream. Rico was a little robot who dreamed of becoming a helper. He watched the humans in his town, admiring how they helped each other. One day, he decided to build a small flower garden in his backyard. Rico worked tirelessly, planting seeds and watering them. But when the flowers started to grow, he noticed that they were wilting. Rico felt sad but didn't give up. He approached a wise old gardener for advice. The gardener taught Rico how to care for the flowers properly. With new knowledge, Rico tended to his garden, and soon it bloomed beautifully. Excited, Rico invited the neighborhood children to see his flowers. They loved the colorful garden and began to help him take care of it. Together they learned about nature and teamwork. Rico realized that being a helper was about sharing knowledge and bringing people together. He decided to create more gardens in the community, spreading joy and beauty everywhere. Rico learned that dreams can come true with hard work and that helping others is the greatest gift of all.